This is latest tech. This video will explain to you how you can add resets the MIHM Note 1S device that you have forgotten the password. But before I take you through this tutorial, the first thing you have to do is to subscribe to this channel, Latest Tech. When you do, you will be notified each time we drop a future video, a future content. So the first thing you have to do in order to add resets this MI device is to power off the phone, the device. Power it off. Let it turn off completely. After the device might have turned off completely, the next thing you have to do is to press the volume up key and the power key together for a few seconds. Press the two keys together for a few seconds. When you see the MI logo, release the two keys at once, which is the power up key and the volume up key together. Wait for the recovery menu to come up. Don't forget that this is a Chinese device, so we will be using the logo of this device in order to help us to move forward. Select the second option in this menu, which is the red option, which has a dustbin logo. Click on the dustbin logo, which is the second option in this menu. If you check very well, you see data cache, etc. Click on format data. After clicking on format data, the option is asking you, are you sure you want to add reset this device? Click on yes. After clicking on yes, click on this tick menu. When you click there, you see that the device will start to add resets, and in no distance time the device will completely add reset. And if you have any problem in the add resetting process, remove the battery and put it back. After removing the battery and putting it back, try to power off the device, and the last resetting process will follow. After that, the device will completely add reset. If you have any question while this process lasts, please drop it in the comments section of this video. Like this video, share it to your friends. Check out this channel for more interesting videos. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Latest Tech. See you in our next video.